Hi everybody, my name is Utam Bartholomew. I'm a freelance graphic designer. I'm from Nigeria, a student at the University of Calabar. So in this video, I want to quickly talk about how laddering your success has been, an immense help to me, has been a blessing to me. So first of all, I got to know LYS through Mr. Faustus Amoye when I got a job invite from him through Upwork. Like I said, I'm a freelance graphic designer on Upwork. So I got a job invite from him through Upwork. He was looking for a graphic designer. So when I got that job invite, at first I was reluctant because most times I do get a job invite like that from clients that are not really serious. So I just had to submit a proposal, and when I submitted the proposal, he reached out to me and gave me a little a test job. So I did the test job and I was impressed. So he eventually hired me and brought me to his team. So now it's been months now. I've been working with Laddering Your Success, and their mentoring session, their coaching session has been a blessing. It's been an immense help to me. Like I said, I'm a student, and one thing I really love about Laddering Your Success is their spirit of excellence. For instance, whenever I'm doing graphics for LYS, they are always thorough and detailed to make sure that everything is good and is top notch. And aside that, they have so much invested in my growth in terms of providing me with material resources that will help me to grow my business, my freelance business, and also my academic aspect. All right. So I just want to give a shout out to them. They are really doing a great job. Especially Mr. Faustus Amoye is such a nice person, and it's interesting to know that he's from Nigeria too. So I'm really excited to be part of his team and also to work for him as well. So thank you.